How to change TikTok cover or thumbnail. So if you want to change your TikTok cover or your thumbnail after posting a video, then let's check that. First, open up your TikTok application. And then you can simply go to the plus icon, which is on the bottom middle. And now simply go for upload, which is on the bottom right. And you have to choose a video that you would like to upload. And after choosing the video, tap on next, which is on the bottom right. And then again tap on next. And then here on the upper right side, you will have an option which says select cover. Tap on that. And then you can simply select the cover of whichever side you would like to add as a cover. And after that, you can simply tap on save, which is on the upper right. And then tap on post. And now it has been posted, right? So let me tell you one thing, that after posting you can't change or you can't edit your cover, so you have to do that at first, and you can't do that after posting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.